Hello everyone. In this session, I'll show you how to make your web STP on Cipla Connect. So first you'll log into your configured account. STP is your standard tour plan. STP can be made once every 6 months or once a year. So once you are logged in onto your landing page, you'll go to options, and there are two options, namely make web STP and view web STP. STP has two versions. One is in the draft mode, the other is in the approved mode. You'll create a new STP in the make web STP column. Once the STP is created and submitted, it will go to your manager for approval, and once the manager approves it, you will be able to view it in the view STP icon. Now I'll start and show you how to make your web STP. This is called web STP since it requires internet connection. Will have to be connected to the internet to make this web STP. When I go to make web STP, the first screen here shows the summary of all the customers that are there in your system and the number of days that you've planned. So here this shows that I have 115 customers in my MSL, out of which 11 are planned. I have 2 chemists, out of which 0 are planned, 0 stockists, out of which 0 are planned, and there's a concept of missed doctor calls. My ideal doctor calls are 122 and I've missed 111 doctors. This is calculated on the basis of the visit frequency of each doctor. Suppose I have 100 doctors in my MSL and the visit frequency is 2 for each doctor. My ideal doctor calls would be 200, that is 100 multiplied by 2, and I'll have to plan all my doctors 200 times. So similarly here there are 115 doctors in my MSL and my ideal calls are 122, out of which 111 are missed calls. A standard STP has 24 days. Each day starts with a Monday. There are 4 weeks. Each week has 6 days multiplied by 4 weeks, hence an STP has 24 days. So after seeing the summary of the customers and the days, I'll go to view plan. When I go to view plan, when every rep goes to view plan, all the days would be marked in red. This indicates that you have not started to plan the MTP. Once I start to plan an MTP, if you can see here, day 1 starts from a Monday and week 1. Day 2 is a Tuesday, day 3 is a Wednesday, so on and so forth. Now I'll start planning my doctors and patches for a particular day. I'll take day 4, Thursday, week 1. I click on it. When I click on day 4, I see there are 0 doctors planned, 0 chemists planned, and 0 stockists planned. On the right hand side top corner, I can plan my customers. When I click on plan customers, I'll see all my patches and the doctors in those patches. So this is my town 137906 and patch 1, and these are all the doctors in my patch. Let's say I'm going to visit Dr. A. Begum, Dr. Dilip Chaudhary, Dr. M.K. Bhuyan. I'll click on save. Now you can see I have selected 3 doctors for day 4 and week 1. Similarly, I'll go back and plan for day 5. Go to plan customers. I'll plan a different patch. I'll say save. Data is saved successfully. I've planned 1 doctor for this day. I'll go back and I'll check for day 5. Similarly, I'll plan my STP for all the 24 days. So there are 3 golden rules to plan a STP. 1 is that all your patches should be planned. Second is all your doctors should be planned. Third is all your doctors as per their visit frequency should be planned. Once you have completed these 3 main points, you'll be able to submit the STP. So now there is something called as guide. When I click on guide, this would show me which all days I've missed. So I have missed 19 days. So as I stated earlier, there are 24 days in an STP. I've planned 5 days, so I've missed 19 days. When I click on 19, I can see which all days I've missed. Similarly, what all patches I've missed, what all doctors I've not planned or over planned, how many overloaded days are there, how many overloaded days. So there is a concept of overloaded and underloaded days. So if for a day your division sets a limit of 10 doctors to be planned in a day, and if you plan 12 doctors in that day becomes overloaded. Similarly, if you plan less than 10 doctors, that day becomes an underloaded day. Once I fill in all the doctors for all the 24 days and all the doctors as per their visit frequency, I will submit this plan. Once the plan is submitted, it will go for your manager's approval, and once the manager approves the plan, I can go to view web STP and check the status. You see here, this plan is in the approved state. The summary shows that I've planned all the doctors, I've planned all 24 days, and there are no doctors that are missed. I can go and view the plan. You can see this is the approved STP that is there. I can go back. I can go home. Now once the STP is approved, now you're free to do the MTP. Thank you so much.